Hello everyone. Greetings from Shib again. A top-secret project on board Shib is making millions. Current shibainu news: the weight that the US inflation figures have placed on the shibu price over the last few days appears to have been lifted. Now that the data is out of the way, traders don't appear to be questioning their meaning anymore. The markets only care about the fact that they were marginally lower. Before the overheated relative strength index smacks Shib bulls on the shoulder to make them profit on this surge, expect a nice grind upward to take 0.0016. We'll discuss Shiba's top-secret initiative to produce millionaires in this video. Shiba news for today. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Let's get the video started right now. The two-day small sell-off that preceded the U.S. Consumer Pricing Index data is now being overcome by the Shiba Inu pricing. Now that bullish energy is being released, Shib price activity has reached fresh weekly highs. A potential continuation of the strong attitude into the U.S. session later on Wednesday would be of interest to traders. Shib traders are fixated on the monthly R1 and the green ascending trend line around 0.0014 after the equity market turns green. Bulls would be well positioned to move towards the monthly R2 with a value close to 0.0016 if the daily close was above that level. The overbought barrier will be reached by the RSI, and as bulls will want to take a little profit after recording a 24% gain, there may be a slight chance of a double top soon. A greater risk arises from many military reports indicating an increase in Russian aircraft, helicopters, and fighter jets within tactical proximity of strategic locations in Ukraine. It appears that Russia will launch a ground offensive with air support soon. That might force Europe to breach its red line and send fighter jets to Ukraine, which would mean a serious escalation of the conflict. One of the biggest problems Shiba Inu is facing as the war reaches a new peak is scaling. The market value of cryptocurrencies has increased dramatically, but transaction volume has not kept up with this growth. This inability to scale could pose a serious threat to the cryptocurrency's long-term development. Another major obstacle to be addressed is the 589 trillion tokens that are now in circulation for the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. Because there are so many tokens in use, there is a great chance that some will be diluted, which might eventually lower the token's value. The Shib army is still upbeat about the cryptocurrency's long-term prospects in spite of major obstacles. The community has contributed to the Shiba Inu token's potential to be more than just a speculative asset by working hard to create partnerships and real-world use cases, as well as by contributing to charity organizations. The Shib army has shown that it is committed to producing value that goes beyond conjecture by launching a number of projects, such as a decentralized exchange, a platform for NFTs, and a payment gateway. Furthermore, the Shiba Inu Rescue Association, the community's philanthropic arm, has contributed to the favorable press around the Shiba Inu coin and may help to promote its adoption and legitimacy. The neighborhood is hoping that the price of Shib will increase as a result of all of these developments. Investors in China think Shib might get as high as 1 cent or even $1. But the truth is that Bitcoin struggles to make even 1 cent at this point. At 0.0013, the market capitalization of Shiba coin is approximately 7.5 billion. Shib's market capitalization would have to rise by a factor of 1,000 in order for it to reach 0.01. It would be challenging to accomplish this without a substantial investment and demand for the Shib token. In context, the largest cryptocurrency in the world, Bitcoin, is valued at approximately $468 billion on the market. The Shib token would still barely make up 10% of Bitcoin's size even if it were to achieve the noteworthy feat of reaching a 46 billion market valuation. For certain cryptocurrencies, burning tokens has been a common tactic to raise value and lower supply. But burning tokens won't solve every cryptocurrency's problems, and there may be complicated long-term effects. In the short run, token burns might aid in limiting supply and raising the price of a cryptocurrency. It is not a growth strategy that works over the long run. Burning tokens does not immediately add to the cryptocurrency's utility or use cases, which may have an effect on its long-term worth. The short-term boost in the value of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency could have been attributed to the burning of 83 billion tokens. But it only accounts for 0.015% of the market capitalization of Shiba Inus. Furthermore, a cryptocurrency's long-term viability may be harmed by token burning. A cryptocurrency's potential for future growth and development may be limited if it burns too many tokens. The Shib token has a large potential for dilution due to its enormous quantity, which could eventually cause the coin's value to decline. The potential for innovation and growth in cryptocurrencies might also be restricted by burning tokens. A cryptocurrency may run out of resources for upcoming collaborations and development if it burns through too many tokens. Shytoshi Kusama, the principal developer of Shiba Inus, has made it his mission to inform everyone who will listen that Shibari is the solution. The main developer for Shiba Inu provided a detailed description of the company's key beliefs in a blog post yesterday. There is also information about the religions that Shiba Inu accepts. Unity is more crucial than ever in the Shibari beta testing phase. Projects, businesses, and other entities are asked to comprehend the values maintained by the Shibari group and its neighbors. One of Shibari's main principles is to always burn a Shiba Inu on any endeavor that involves Sharian. Scams on the L2 scaling method, the developer noted, are unavoidable. Shibari intends to counter misinformation regarding new developments by employing the do-our-own research strategy. The Shiba team will give charitable organizations top priority when making gifts in order to benefit the greater community. A portion of the earnings will be given by Shibari to the Shib DAO Foundation. The best DAO assets can only be used in ways determined by the foundation. Shytoshi revealed that Shiba Inu welcomes people of all religions in a kind global call. Shibari and its offerings are encouraged to be accepted by atheists, Buddhists, Christians, Hindus, Jews, Muslims, Shinto, Taoists, Tuken, and even Luciferians. Shiba everywhere allows us to change the course of this conflict without resorting to force. With Shibari, we can just leave the oppressive systems behind and collaborate to create a better world by combining all of our knowledge, expertise, and shared vision. A unifying belief system shared by all these religions is the support of righteousness in the world. To Shytoshi, opposing dishonest leaders is the best way to evenly and jointly uphold this conviction. He argues convincingly that Shibari is the way we win, and with this letter I extend an invitation to you to come along, regardless of your beliefs. An interesting update from the lead developer for Shiba Inu preceded the blog post. The creator made a suggestion about Shibari's potential launch window. Members of the Telegram Shiba Inu community have been warned by Kusama to be on the lookout in the months preceding May. He disclosed that the debut of Shibari would occur prior to May. It is reasonable to assume that the Shibari Layer 2 scaling solution will be released sometime in April. Elon Musk teased the group of tokens with images of his dog that were uploaded to Twitter, which caused Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and at least one other dog-themed meme cryptocurrency to soar in value. Musk's capacity to influence meme coin markets doesn't seem to be waning. Despite being primarily formed as online jokes rather than as real blockchain projects, which is why they are termed meme coins, this set of cryptocurrencies has evolved into something more than just a practical joke. As the 9th largest digital asset, Dogecoin has spawned other spin-offs, such as Shiba Inu, the 13th largest cryptocurrency. The Shibari Telegram channel has been shut by head developer Shytoshi Kusama of Shiba Inu. Kusama promised that upon the release of all records, the group would be reported. Only formal communications will be posted by the Shibari team until it is accessible to the general public. It's probable that questions about the launch were flooded into the Shibari Telegram channel. Maybe it became too much to handle the amount of inquiry. But since the Telegram channel has been closed until the documents are made public, it seems likely that Shibari's docs will be made public shortly. And that concludes our day.